Uno, Dana 30, no bueno. Don't bang up the new axle, Dustin. Anyways, we got work to do. What? Oh, you keep dancing. I'm going to start talking. Lo and behold, our mess. We've been working on vehicles all over the place. Today, Winters has gone into the garage. We've picked up a Dana 60 Kingpin. So we got ourselves a 1-ton axle that we're going to be throwing in Winters. We have a ton of parts to get this done. And then for Bender, our 16 YJ, our little dancer right here, for this one, we have a Dana Ultimate Dana 44 axle that we're going to be throwing in the front of this thing. So that is the plan for today, is to get that axle inside that vehicle. And then we're going to steal the tires off that, put it on the YJ, and then we have to get ready for putting the tires onto this thing. There is a lot going on. We got like the next day or two to start working on some stuff. So we're going to do that. She's going to dance apparently. Well, here goes nothing, huh? Let's get this bad boy. We got some brand new jack stands to put it on, and then we'll go from there. Uno, Dana 30, no bueno. No bueno.
But if you guys want to buy it, it's for sale.
Yeah, no, it's bueno for other people. Not for me. Not for me.
Now, some quick notes on the Ultimate Dana 44 axle. This is a crate axle from Dana, which is the same company that makes the stock axles for the Jeep. They also make axles for a ton of other vehicles out there. And this is a direct bolt-in application for the JK. And you can order this with your choice of gears and a locker. So we opted for a 488 gear ratio, as this Jeep is getting 37s. And then for the locker, we chose to go with an electronic e-locker. This axle also comes beefier than stock with thicker tubing and brackets. And lastly, it comes with an HD diff cover.
So something I've always learned. If you don't know what size something is, grab all of them. Sorry. Look at all the... That's a lot of metal material, babe. That's not good. We're going to do a little extracurricular activities. You know, this ain't even part of swapping the axle in, but I kind of want to know what we did on the inside here, because there was some gunkage when we took it apart, or when we drained it. So, oop, drop one. Ta-da! I was wondering if your spider gears were smoked, but they look okay. Well, that's for the next owner to take a look at and be like, wow, oh, look at the even. That's why he put a fucking lube locker. Okay.
Today's the day. Dale, dale, dale. No pierdas el tiro. Porque si lo pierdes el camino. See, you just gotta sing my Mexican piñata music.
By the way, this is our new axle.
Money, money, money.
Here comes the money. Oh, all this shit's brand new. Well, that's good to know. Okay, cool. Hit it. Hammer on it. There you go. There you go. So you can drop that. Take it out by hand. So you just have to slide that off of there. There you go. Okay. Get this one off of here. Make sure we don't damage it. Okay, got that. Cool. So we're all good there. Next, you got to use the pinzas, either these or these, to figure out. You got to straighten out those cotter pins and take them out. There you go. And slide it. So screw it back on just a little by hand.
It's back.
Yo! Elote! You don't listen. Yeah, go like that, and then you're pulling it towards you to loosen it. And just watch your knuckles right there. Give her hell, babe. Look at that! So don't take it all the way off. Actually, take it all the way off so you can take that bracket out. And then you have to screw back on. So 2 spots you can hit it. Hit it right there, and you can also hit it right here. And then don't be scared. Hit it with your be mad at it. There you go. Hit it harder.
Let go of my purse. I don't know you.
Come on. Give me a good hit. There you go. Smack it like it's flirting with me.
Ah.
Come on, give me a good hit. There you go. I love you. There. It's out. All right, finish taking it off. Take this off and this off so you can get the knuckle out. Just give it a light tap while holding it.
While holding it.
What the hell? I thought it was loose. I thought it was loose. The fuck is up with this thing? Here. Pendejo. Uh-oh. Ready for the Jeep? There it is.
Drop it.
Yeah, I think I just fucked up this bolt. Oh, I didn't. Alright, so that goes for that. There it goes. Did I do it? God damn it. Okay.
I wonder if that's mine.
All right, I am going to file this under don't try this at home, but you know what? We're at home, so we're going to try this. Okay, do it now. All right, lift it up a little. The axle's firing. One, two, three. That's good right there. That's good. Somebody buy this fucking thing. All right, lunch is calling, but we don't get no lunchtime because we're not on the clock anymore. The axle's out. It's time to install that bad boy into here. You ready to lift it up?
Yes.
El Strongo.
Chuck Norris is ready.
So enjoy this video of me lifting this in a way that I shouldn't, because I'm really not going to get the cherry picker out just to get this Dana 44 out, because guess what? I mean, yeah, it's heavy, but it shouldn't weigh too much. So let's get this installed. It's kind of heavy. No! Don't bang up the new axle, Dustin. All right, that's right there. All right, you're good from here, right, babe?
Yeah.
That's what I wanted. Push it in. There you go, with your foot. Push the jack in. There we go. Yeah, it's fine. I don't know what's holding this thing up. We're getting close. My first time swapping one of these axles in. We do them all the time at work, but first time I do it. Normally we just sell the job, but yeah, baby, you're gonna owe me 8 hours worth of work.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oops. Check out that flex, babe.
Looks really good.
Yeah,
I
no
love
shit,
it.
huh? Flex
Okay.
itself out of existence.
Just let's just keep it like that.
It's a two-person job. But we gotta take off these wire ties. They give very important reminders. See, we went and picked up an expensive axle. You know, it gives you warnings that there's no oil in it. Very important stuff. Did not put oil in it.
Hey, wait, I need to keep that. That was very expensive. I
Yeah,
need to keep it.
Now for this swap, we're going to be using the stock knuckles and brake system from the Dana 30, as it is the same parts between the Dana 30 and the Dana 44. This also comes with a set of ball joints already installed on the axle, and it also comes with a brand new set of axle shafts. Now back to ball joints, I'm actually going to be stealing the ball joints that I just installed on the Dana 30 axle. I have a set of Terraflex HD ball joints, and we're going to be saving those for when these new Ultimate Dana 44 ball joints ultimately fail, because if you know anything about JKs, just know the ball joints are junk.
So, axle's about 75% installed. As you can see, we already got moonlight. So, we're going to finish up mañana. We'll see you guys then. Toodles. Hello and good morning. It's bright and early. We're continuing with our axle chingaderas. We're actually almost done. I had to make some cuts. So this is the stock stabilizer mount. We went ahead and hacked that off. And what we're doing now is this is the metal cloak stabilizer mount, which is what we use on this Jeep. And eventually, I mean, we're going to have full-blown metal cloak steering. Sorry, RPM, but you ain't cutting it for this Jeep. But anyways, right now what I'm figuring out is we have our track bar mount, which we're going to end up using the upper one because we do have a flip kit on this, so we want to keep our geometry correct. So what I'm kind of doing is just fitting this all in here. So this is just going to be a deadbolt that holds this into place, then that one's going to hold it into place, stabilizer goes right there, and then track bar will mount right there to up there. So all good stuff, and you guys will hear there's some clanking going on over there. So the missus's uncle is here helping out with some body work on the Jeep, because this thing, it was in a nasty rollover a couple years ago, which is kind of why we're redoing this whole thing. So fun stuff. We're gonna continue. Let's get it.
Hi.
What you doing? Why? Why are you taking it apart?
Huh?
Why are you taking it apart?
Because I'm gonna chop it.
In pieces? Oof. Ugh. All right. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's all. Let me know when you get all the way.
I already did it more than half.
Go all the way the other way.
That's all of it.
No, should go more. Keep going.
That's it.
If you crank on it, it doesn't go anymore?
No.
Okay, put it back to straight. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a Dana 44 swap Jeep. So, all completed. Gonna throw some gear oil in it. And then, other than that, we got to take it into the shop, make sure the alignment's correct. I had to do some things with the stabilizer mount, so we got some stuff figured out there. Otherwise, it's all good to go. We're continuing with the body work and all that other stuff. I got to change out the back tires because those tires are going to go on the YJ, and then I'm going to start on the YJ right now. We'll jump into that right now. You guys will see what's happening. Should be a good time. Let's get it.